Hi, today I will be going over how to set up your goals on the Accelerated Reader for the 6 weeks. Once you log into your Renaissance Learning, you go to the Accelerated Reader icon. You click on Record, Books, and Goals. From there, you will go to Reading Practice Goals. Once you get to your Reading Practice Goals, you will see the list of your kids. You will have to make some changes. The reading average percent correct goal should be changed to 90%. You will click Update All Your Students. From there, you will go to your Select Daily Reading Time. You will select 20 minutes. This is not to be confused with your Engaged Reading Time. 20 minutes is the allotted time each student should be receiving during the day to read. You will update all your students. Now from here, you will go ahead and start adding your goals for every student. These are your points that each student should be earning by the end of the 6 weeks. And these are the goals at the reading level you would like, according to the ZPD, for them to achieve. If you need a calculator, what you would do is you click on AR Goal Calculator. You can type in their grade equivalent. You go to 25 minutes, for example. If their grade equivalent is 2.1, you will calculate and it'll give you their goal should be 5 points for the 6 weeks. Once you put in all the information, you go ahead and save at the bottom and it'll save it to your reports. If you have any questions, feel free to come by and ask.